Wow. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. So those are your creations, ladies. Good job. Please give yourselves a hand. Please, 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 please. Whew. They done put us in a hot room. Welcome. So this is a hand art workshop, and it seems like it's your first one. Everything will be hands-on. I want you to loosen up a little, breathe, shake your hands. Shake your hands to the side and breathe. Hold it in and let it out, because I want you to be free. Okay, I got some of these here because these are some of the examples that I have made. I have a business. I'm at Rodney Square every Wednesday selling my pieces, and you can be doing the same thing. Okay, so I just want you to have some samples. Are both y'all got pierced ears? Your ears are pierced? They look like you ain't had nothing in your hole. Your ears pierced? Okay, so the reason why I bought these in case somebody didn't have pierced ears, because the first thing you're gonna make is an earring. This is the art of earring making and wire wrapping. This will be one of my large earrings. These will be small. I bought smalls because y'all are small people, and whatever you make, you taking it with you. I want you to be able to wear it. So, have you had anything in your ear recently? So do you think you should put a clip-on yours or an actual hook in the ear? See, you think this could go through? Because I want you to be able to wear, or this clip-on will clip on. What do you think? Clip-on. Okay, so remember that. So you're going to need a set of, clip-ons. Okay, this is 20 gauge wire. This is 12 gauge wire. I need you to remember these things, okay? You're going to be using this because you're going to make your own earring hooks to go in your ear. I like to teach making your own because you can buy them at the store, but they always have that little ball that gets on my nerves. They'll be on the earring thing, and I end up taking it off. So I said, let me start making my own earring hooks. So I'm going to teach you today also how to make your own earring hooks. You'll have clip-on, but you'll still see us because Empress over here has pierced ears. Okay, now your tools will become your best friend. You're gonna always, and you can get these anywhere. At the end of the workshop, I'm gonna tell you, because you're gonna have to practice. Practice makes perfect. That's how I became mastered in what I teach you today. I had to go home and practice, and I'll tell you where to buy all the materials you need so you can go get you some tools from Walmart or somewhere and practice. We are hot in this workshop. Okay, you're going to need a cutter. A cutter is a flat side that can cut this wire. This wire you'll be cutting today. And you always want to hold your hand over it so it don't pop in nobody's eyes, because we both got glasses on. We sure don't want to pop out. Very easy. So there's your cutter. And let me make sure this one is sharp enough. Oops, see how it pop? Always have your hand over there. That could hit you in your eye. So my apology. And there's your cutter. And here's my cutter. Okay, then you're going to need one to roll. And when I say roll, all these curves in here, see how the earring hook is rolled at the bottom? A tool. That cutter can't do that. It will cut it. So you want something that rolls. This is a good roller. We got some better ones. Okay, this is a good roller. See, it's going to roll for us when we need it. See that? When you need to bend or roll, that's what a roller is. This one's a cutter, this one's a roller, okay? Or a bender. It doesn't matter. There's yours, and here's another one. Bends and rolls really nice, okay? And there is yours. So you got a cutter and a bender or a roller. Those two will become your best friends if you start your own jewelry line, your own business. So remember those two. You'll probably have a whole bunch of tools like I do. This one is a cutter and a roller together. See, it's all in one. I'll cut down the bottom and I'll roll up the top. That's more professional. I don't want to bother you with that. We're just here to learn the basics. Okay, and the reason I bought a tape measure, because I'm been doing it for so long, I don't measure anything. I can just kind of look at it and tell how big your arm is and make you a bracelet or make me a bracelet. But that's only because I've been doing it long. And once you get practice, you won't have to measure either. But today you're going to measure because you're learning. Okay? So I'm going to put that in the middle. You can both share it. Okay, I got me a cutter and I need me a roller. Okay. Now, because my niece over here is going to do the earring hook in her ear, you're going to put backs on it so you don't lose it. See my backs on my earring? Because they will come out. Oh, God, where's my earring? I don't want you freaking out. Okay? So those are yours. Make sure you don't lose them because they're so tiny. So you can kind of put them to the side somewhere. They don't fly off. Now we are ready. Okay. Hello, beautiful. Hi.
We got here.
I'm glad you're here. We've already, that's okay. We haven't started.
Okay.
Please take a seat. Let me move the camera.
Okay. This is Sophie.
Hello, Miss Sophie.
And this is her grandmother.
Oh, Sophie. And Miss Sophie's grandmother. Hello, grandmother. How are you?
Amana.
And tell me. That's right. Straighten your wire out. About 7 inches. And you can give or take a little. It could be like 7.5. Don't have to be exact, but you want 7 or more. And you need 2 of them. You got 2 of them, yes. Everybody got 2? Beautiful. And make sure your flat side, there you go. Do it in the middle of the wire. You got it. No. See your tool? You got it way down here in the mouth. Put it in the middle. It should be easier. Beautiful. See how it falls off?
No.
Ooh. Oh my. I'm sorry, y'all. It's hot here.
There's no air.
And I went and asked them. I said, can we turn up? They said it stays like that. I said, are you serious? They're going to kill us in here, y'all. Take your time and watch your finger. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, and as you practice, you'll see how easy it is to cut that wire. Okay, make sure your 2 pieces of wire are straight. Your 2 pieces of wire, you don't have to hurt your... Can you hold your earring up and let us see? Absolutely stunning. You'll be walking away with those today. That's your creation. Congratulate yourself. Yes, good job. Wow. Y'all are really doing your thing. I'm impressed. I am impressed. I am so impressed. Okay, we're going to let everybody catch up, and then we're going to start our bracelets. Y'all going to have a matching set created by yourself. This is good. Because at first I thought everybody doing different type earrings. I was like, oh, that's going to be difficult. But it's not difficult at all. And then look who finishes first. I love it. Take your time, ladies, because it's not a race at all. It's really not a race.
Are these your nieces?
My only niece is here.
Okay.
These 2 are new for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, my niece is new for me. See, I don't get to see my nieces and nephews. I come to America once a year. Okay, ladies, I want to really, really thank y'all for coming out for the hand art workshop, and I wish you all the best in your practice becoming perfect. Can y'all just give me 2 lines? What did you get from your workshop, and what is your goal? What do you plan on doing with your new skill?
Give them to my friends at school.
Okay, you're gonna do what with your friends at school?
Give it to them.
Okay. Well, how about start a business and maybe say each bracelet is a couple dollars? Because you don't have to give away your work. You really don't. Remember, these are entrepreneurial skills, and business is business. And even if it's a lemonade stand, you can't just give away all your lemonade. You understand what I'm saying? So remember, these are skills that can sustain you and take you far. Young lady, can you tell us what you got from the workshop and what you plan on doing with your new skill?
I learned how to make bracelets and earrings.
Beautiful.
And I can wear them around, and when people ask about it, I can say I made them.
Absolutely, absolutely, and give them a price. I love that. Thank you, ladies. Okay, young lady, what did you get from the hand art workshop, and what do you plan on doing with your new skill?
I learned how to make jewelry out of wires and planning to sell them in the future.
Beautiful. I wish you ladies all the best. Can you please give yourselves a hand? Thank you so much.